kind of the whole Cobb catalog, if you will, that they make for these BB cars. And that includes the Cobb upgraded top mount intercooler, the Cobb Flex fuel system, the Cobb titanium catback with their exhaust hangers, Cobb pitch top mount, Cobb redline intake, Cobb charge pipe. Then we took it over to Ben, and he calibrated on full flex fuel, which includes 91 octane and E50 to E55, whichever. And it made 296, 311 on pump gas, and on ethanol it made 350 horsepower and 389 foot-pounds of torque. Can't remember exactly, but it's up there. These cars react tremendously well to minimal modifications and some ethanol. So if you have a WRX or if you know somebody that's got one, give us a shout. We'd love to transform it into something like this. 405-919-8404. Thank you.